So we are again back with the energy, and now we are doing the trading. I have executed already a big trade, which is there, but the net is working very slowly. So we have to wait for the trade has been gone to the $5 loss, $5 to $6 loss. And why it is going to the $5 to $6 loss? It is executed for the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, so as you can see, we are in the trade. We are not out of the trade, but as per my knowledge, this trade has to go down, but he has been going up. So we are waiting. Let's get this trade on the left side and wait until it hits our SL because TP never hit most of the time, and that can that can also a second thing. This is the $8 loss is running right now, $7 to $8 loss. And why this is going very very unwantingly downside, I don't know. As per 4 hour time frame, the gold should go upside, but gold has been coming down to, I think, go up. So let's start our analysis on the gold. First we are starting analysis of the 4 hour on the oil, so we can get the insights from the trade which we have taken. So it is what it is, and as you can see here, there is a one type of a zone here which I take as a the zone of. For this zone we are from this zone we are expecting to go down and then go up. If it happen, means it hasn't happened last time, I think, and he is rolling out like little, and but he did not gone there. So and this level is not achievable because Iran and USA are not doing that thing which they are doing most of the time. So as you can see here in the past also, we are confirming this trade is right or wrong. That W has been made. These things happen. So okay, let's analyze market from here to on the 4 hour time frame, so we can get the insights of the market which can happen in the future, what will can happen in the future. So as you can see here, the oil has been doing nothing but wasting. Okay, he has given the breakout. Now he is on the 59 equity, and already oil has been in the good amount of means $100 he has been crossed. So that is also good amount of level he has been crossed. So we are waiting for the another candle to touch that level. Yes, he has touched, and then that candle has given a now. Okay, okay, okay. So here is our pattern has been made. And pattern has been made on the 56 level. So that is the lowest level which can gold go on. Let's see here, as you can see here, and then it has started to go up. And here in the, I think there is the events, and that time I am there. And as you can know, gold should came down, but if the gold has been started to get a rally, who knows? Now the market has going on the decision of the Trump and decision of the news. That's the most of the time the market has been playing the levels which they don't have to do, but that is what happening in this real world right now. So as you can see here, the market hasn't touched that level, but market should touch, and market should touch. I think so, but market has not interested in touching that level. So we are waiting for the confirmation to get the trade, and again we are not interested to get the trade from here. And here, as you can see, there is a head and shoulder type of thing. He's an make an hand gone down. I think one candle should go on this level, and hit has been hidden. The level has been hidden. So now we are just waiting for the W formation, and if the W form, we are interested, and W has been formed, and the pullback has been also formed. So we are interested to get a trade on this sheet, but we are again waiting for the again W should be formed, and okay, the things has been gone perfectly as we expected, and now we are entering little bit of this money from to here to at least here. Let's see what will happen, and the first SL has been cracked on us. So and the TP has been gone. Okay, the TP has been gone and the SL has been cracked. Very very good in this life. So what I'm thinking right now, the current position which I have is to I have to hedge that current position because the candle has been not going good as I can see, and this is what happening right now, and this is what happening right now. And the candle has been directly boomed in here because there is a Trump who is doing the stuff which is not good for the market, doing the wars and all the stuff, and then so we I have to go to the direct on the front here. As you can see here, from here, market has been gone very very bad on the upside. Now we have to focus on our trade also. So as you can see here, the market has been going down. Let's wait for another mobile which I get from the outside. There is a lot of more traders which are doing good in their trading career. It's good about them, but I should also do the best from my side. That's what I know. Then we have to go to the gold also. I'm just hedging this shit, and I have to. Okay, we have to enter in the gold. Why I will tell you why it is important to enter in the trade, but we are entering here right now. We are not directly going to the trade. We are entering here to get this much TP or SL. So we are hedging the oil right now. Why we are hedging the oil, I will tell you soon. But right now I have to hedge the buy this position 12.60, just little bit less, not $7. I am giving you. Why this mobile is a little bit like, so I think I have to give him a $7. I'm just waiting for the confirmation, and the confirmation has been fucked. Wi-Fi has started or not. I'm just seeing that the Wi-Fi should work. I think this candle should came down very well, so we can enter. And there is a 12 minutes are remaining still to make a money from this. Okay, the candle has been going very good. Why I am hedging? But I am thinking that why I am hedging, because there is a no point of thing which we have to hedge, because I have that much equity that I can survive the loss. But the loss has been going. Oh, why I am hedging? The reason is, oh fuck, gold has been gone directly. There is a no rule for the gold that he should go up, little bit up, bro, little bit up, please. And the oil should go little bit down. Oil should go down. Why is it going up? Is there any reason behind that? So we are now paying the $8 for our mistake to not enter quickly as we have to. Now he is going for the $10. That is not a good sign of a trade. Why the oil has been going like this without taking a break from backside? And even if it's going, it cross again 100 level. Means you can think that $100 barrel of oil at the time the $56 is there, the barrel of oil is there, but now it's $100. The inflation, then not inflation, the war, because of the war, it is happening, and our Trump Chacha is doing all the stuff which he doesn't have to do, but he is doing. Why, Trump Chacha, why you don't get a shine? The, Hmm, he's going very quickly up, and that is not what I want. He have to go, but he have to just calmly. And the gold has also pushing his levels on the downside, and JPY has been going to the upside. I don't want a two figure here. One figure is okay. Means $9 to $8 is okay, but a two figure is not good figures. So we have to just. I think this candle should close in the red, as per my knowledge, because the candle there is this. What I'm telling you, there is this. This is the middle of this sheet, and the middle of the sheet, the candle should close in the downside, because respecting that is required, and that is not seen. Array, what the fuck I am doing right now? Respecting this shit is important for the every candle which he goes on the which goes on the upside. So we are hedging on the $11. So we are hedging right now. Okay, we are hedging on the $12. Very good. Now we have to buy the buy situation. Where is the $12? 12, 12.3, 12.32, and we are hedged this. We have been hedged this. So when the candle has been going to the our way, we are just cutting this hedging position. But we have hedged very well by getting a $12. $19 has been equity there. When I feel like that the trade has been not going on our direction, we are, and the gold is now not good for a trade because gold has already gone down. And now we don't have any type of regret about that because oh fuck me 0. I have hedged zero point 0.2. Wow. So we are getting a $0.1 money also back. If this trade has been gone to the wrong side or right side, 0.01 has should be. So we cover the expenses of the getting a trade from this trade. So we are now hedged on the 12.20 equity. So that is also good. Instead of losing all the money, we are hedged on the 12.20, $7.40 loss. So it is good right now because there is also one news has been coming. That is also a Powell news, I think. So wait a second. And whenever I just wait a second, April 1, we are in the 30th, today is the 30th. So Powell has been speaking there. So that is also Powell Chacha is there. So we have to wait for that. Gold is also going very good. Now we are focusing on the gold, and gold has given a TP. I am expecting this candle should come here, and then we are entering this trade, but that's not happened with us. So दिल से बुला रखता है यार दिल से बुला so what I said, the US oil should came down, and it has been came down. Like we are on the $6 loss and $1 loss in the upside, but that is what it is. We are just this candle should close on the red. So if he wanted to go up, this candle should close on the red. But we are focusing on the gold to make us some money from that trade also by taking the trade also here. But as you can see here, we have to maximize this chart. Let's let's remove this. First, we have to just see the oil where we have get a trade on the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see here, the point of this SL should gone to the this was the level of mine 101.089. But as you can see here, I will see after a 2 hour 5 minutes if the candle has been closed like this. I'm just hedged. I'm not trading. I'm not doing anything on this shit because anything can happen. Who knows? And I'm just $7.40 loss. That's loss is just remembering me. But this should go down. How it is going up? Is it what? It is what? Tomorrow we have to do also rapido and all the stuff which we do from the morning to the end of the day. The voice is coming or not? I don't know. But as you can see here, we are just removing all this stuff and we are analyzing this. So we have to remove this all this stuff. Wait a second, we are analyzing on this and this is not working. There is another chart which is working. Yes, it is working. Okay. Here is the support. Here is the this is not the right chart. This is also not the right chart. This is also not the right chart. There is no right chart here. So we are analyzing on this chart again. Okay. So the formation of this candle is right. Everything is right. Everything is acting right. But the thing is there is that this I just don't want to break this level. If this level has been broken, there is a high chances that we get a fucked from this trade. very soon. But as you can see here, there is a W formation has been happening here. Then it is came down like this. All the stuff is right, but little bit doubt here because of this W has been made get a pullback. Then in this level he has getting a pullback, and then third candle has been made like he has to go up. So let's see what will happen in the oil. But is that right trade? And right now I am can't give any type of a comment on that. Is that wrong trade? Still not giving a comment on that. And this motherfucker will touch this line and touch that line. Okay. He just waited for the one more candle. I am entering on that candle, but we didn't make a money from this trade. So this is also this case of this trading. As for 4 hour, it is bullish, but now what he has been doing, I'm just waiting for the getting into the trade of the gold because gold has been given a good good signs of the candles, good candles. So we can hedge him like a $6 with a $6 also, but we have just hedged him on the $7, and still we have equity of 12.20. Means it is good equity. It is not a bad equity, but let's hope that third candle should go on this area. When this area should will broke, I'm entering in this trade. But right now we are not interested for this stuff because it can show us that it will go up, down, but it is not going down because there is the levels of this. This level has been not broken. Until this level has been not broken, we are not entering on this trade for the downside. One thing we can do is to go for the upside, but the candles, two candles are very strong, so we are not interested on that also. We just wait, and there is 30 minutes are remaining for the.
याला मी 1,000 रुपये पाठवलं आणि हे नलीच नल काय ते
Sale and null, triple null.
हे आत्ताच पाठवते 1,000 रुपये
कुठे आहे तुझं पेमेंट
मम्मीला व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवतोय मी
त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट कोण येणार
अजून मी घाबरलो गेलं काय चालू आहे ना पण पेमेंट
तुला पण तुझे भेटला
जय श्रीकृष्ण मला वाटलं काय
अशीच बोंबू नको
काय पण टाकलं असलं
झालं का बघ?
तरी टाकलं तरी लगेच नाही.
बोल त्याला I have made a payment. So again, we are seeing that the trade has been hedged. Right now, what we can do is to go again in the oil. I think oil is good right now, but what I am thinking right now is that if I am didn't hedge on the oil also, I am on the $3 loss. What the fuck I did? What the fuck I did? The fuck I did? We can get that $3 to $4 from anywhere, but still there is this thing is that We are waiting at 12 minutes. Means we are waiting a half an hour because there is a no type of a trade. Because there is in a half hour there is a news which is called mobile news. So that's why we don't have to trade. And we just have to being chill. What he is doing is that getting a trade or not. So what others doing? We have to
Okay,
chill also.
guys, ग्रीन कैंडल बना रहा है बिटकॉइन, लेकिन ठीक है, लेकिन इसने अभी तक इसको कौन 1 मिनट पे 5-5 मिनट पे देख रहे हैं ना, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, अच्छा 5 मिनट अलर्ट लगा देता हूँ भाई। स्प्लिट कर लो अपना रिस्क एपेटाइट, और आधा बीटीसी में आधा गोल्ड पे घुसना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सपोर्ट तो अच्छा है। देखो ये लो प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेडिंग है, अपन डाउन ट्रेंड है छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे, बड़ी टाइम फ्रेम पे हाई अप ट्रेंड है, बड़ी टाइम फ्रेम पे अप ट्रेंड है, छोटे पे डाउन ट्रेंड है, करेक्ट। अपन छोटे वाले के अगेंस्ट जा रहे हैं, बड़े वाले के फेवर में जा रहे हैं, बट सपोर्ट पे है। अगर ये ट्रेड सही निकलता है
He
ना
is telling right.
तो रिस्क रिवॉर्ड मैसिव है, क्योंकि बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे अपन लॉन्ग बायस है। गाइस आई विल गो लॉन्ग इफ इट्स ब्रेक द व्हाइट लाइन, ठीक है।
He is right.
ओके
Trade is
ओके,
this trade is
दब गया है
perfect.
मेरे से बाय बटन, और मैं ना कट कर दे रहा हूँ भाई, क्लोजिंग ही नहीं हुआ है, गलत बटन दब गया। आप एग्जिट करो भाई, एग्जिट कर दिया भाई मैंने। ध्यान अब मत घुसना भाई, जब तक मैं ना बोलूं ये व्हाइट लाइन के ऊपर घुसेगा तो घुसेंगे, और भी क्लोजिंग।
He is right. The trend is 4 hour bullish. So he is also taking the trade. I wanted to see the others what the others doing in the trading also. He is live, so we have to see the peoples are doing what in their life. So we are also experiencing that thing that we have to take the trade on the uptrend upside. But I am just waiting for the confirmation of this candle should come right here, and then we are targeting a little bit right here, and we are yes SL of this here. Hey, light का बंद कर मेरी. Light has been closed, and that is what the thing is happening. Okay, okay, okay. But it is a risky trade, so we can't directly go into this trade because it is already risky trade. It is a too much risky trade, and if that trade has been broken that levels the downsides, I don't think so it will go. But if it is broken that level, we are waiting because taking a trade directly is can happen us a big loss. But the trade has been perfect. But, and, and does we hit the SL or what? इकडे येतला म्हणा मोबाईल मध्ये काय झाली बरोबर बघतोय की तो Wait a second. अरे तू कुणाला पाठवलं तेस अरे तू कुणाला पाठवलंस
त्यालाच पाठवलं की फोन नंबरवर पाठवतो.
त्याने क्यूआर कोड दिला होता. तू कुठे गेला ट्रेड
QR कोड नाही दिले, हे नंबर आणि हे दिलेलं
त्याचं काय झालंय?
इथं असतं.
कुठं असतं?
घातले कुठे गेलं नेलं?
बॅक केलं मी त्याला, ते पाठवत P2P2 आहे.
भेटले का?
आले तर नाहीच. रिपोर्ट टाक डायरेक्ट.
हे होतं का? जयश्री विष्णू होतं, ह्यो नाही, बालाजी नाही. हा ह्योच होता, ह्योच. टाइम इज ऑलमोस्ट अप टू सेंड.
ऑप्शन असतो रे, कुठे गेला रिमाइंडर सेलर नाही तर ऑर्डर साठी ऑप्शन असतो.
एक रिपोर्ट. I got scammed.
अपील सेंड करतो 2 मिनिटात. 2 मिनिटानंतर अपील सेंड करून शांत राहा तोपर्यंत.
त्याची काय अपील काढली?
रिमाइंडर सेलरवर जायचं, अपील निघते.
माझं ते ओके घेत आपलं.
चांगली केलंस.
आता पैसे तर येतील ना?
ओके नाही, थांब जरा 2 मिनिटात लगेच तिथे अपीलवर दाबायचं. बरोबर इथे जायचं, रिमाइंडर सेलर दाबायचं आणि ते अपील टाकायचं डायरेक्ट. 1 मिनिट 27 सेकंद अपीलचं ऑप्शन येईल, अपील टाकायचं.
मग त्याला मेसेज पोचतो का?
मेसेज नाही, त्याच्या बँक त्या खात्यातनं बायनान्स स्वतः कट करतं.
असं आहे का?
छोले बनवलं नाही आपलं नाही राज. पैसे देऊन जातो कधी. भाजी मी ज्यादा
After this candle, there is only one candle which can be seen. What the fuck is this? The oil has been done. Sheep. No level of any type of thing that oil has in his mind. Oh fuck, we have entered very very big side, but let's see what can happen with us, because there is no type of thing is there stopping us from taking the profit, but our
कालवण कशाला करून ठेवलं? कालवण कोण खातं सकाळचं?
wait, what the fuck is happening right now?
13-12 कशामध्ये लावलाय?
बोल आज तू तू आता जावा आपला
अरे हे रिमाइंडर
रिमाइंड वर क्लिक कर, फक्त बाकी काय नको, डोकं नको
कशावर?
वाजवू.
अपीलवर.
अपील वर क्लिक कर बघ. तू आता इथे येऊ नको, उगाच रात्रीचा टाइम झालाय माझा. आता ह्यो अकाउंट उडला की माझ्या पैसे नाही जात वगैरे.
I have made a payment but seller has not registered to you ना. अपील खाली क्लिक करून go to check.
अपील वर क्लिक कर. So it is a very risky trade, and that's why we just leaving this trade if we are in the CTC level, because it is a really risky trade, and the candle has been not converted very well where he have to convert. We have already hedged that oil, and the oil has been gone the $7 of loss, and then we are hedging, and the downside candle has been gone on the
नाही
profit.
भेटले मला कसे काय भेटले
भेटले ना जाता जात तो पण उचलूस. जा भेटलेत ना निघा.
आले आले
As you can see here, our $4 to $5 profit has been running, but it can be erased right quickly as fuck. Yes, it is as quickly as fuck erased. And we are just getting a $3 or $3.5 of profit from this $4, but four. Let's leave this trade right now because we can get that point again, but we can't get the equity again. And the oil has been fucked. Shit. The trade was right, and we are also right. So we are re-entering in this trade, but right now we have a little bit equity of which we can use to enter in this trade. And I think that this trade should go good. So $15 is remaining our, and $7 was the loss we are get without any hesitation, without any shame of, because there is only one news which will came after some time. So we are waiting for that. So not taking a trade is also a good move rather than taking a trade. Hedging also a good move. I have my $15 equity and the $7 loss is there. So I'm not that much angry on the situation which I have done.
आणि ते अवेलेबल 0 युनिट दाखवते
Eh, आता आले आले म्हणलास.
आले ते दिसते इथे
तू INR मध्ये कशाला कन्वर्ट केलीस?
कुठे येणार मध्ये नोट केलं
अवेलेबल 0 USDT का दाखवते? ह्याचा सोल्युशन बघ. ह्याचं नाही मला माहित. तुला USDT घेऊन देतोय मी, बाकी मला
हिशोब असं कसं
स्पॉट मध्ये जायचं. घेतलं तीस कशाला बाबा तू? फंडिंग टू द स्पॉट वॉलेट. ओके. स्पॉट वॉलेट मध्ये मला ट्रान्सफर करू. स्पॉट मधनं जाते बघ. आता इथनं सेंड गेलं तर जाणार. चालेल. स्पॉट मध्ये टाकायला लागतात. काय नाही प्रॉब्लेम. What is this? The trade has not entered? Why? Oh fuck. The high margin rate is there. So we can't enter on the gold with this much equity.
ऍटलीस्ट 10 युनिट 10 युनिट तरी विड्रॉ करावं लागतं
So just wait for a little bit time. We have to.
आधी सांगते एवढा तुम्ही काढू शकत नाही त्याच्यामध्ये
ऍड्रेस पाठव लवकर. ऍड्रेस पाठव लवकर चल.
कशाचा बायनान्सचा
बायनान्सचा. आता कशाचा पाठवणार?
बायनान्सचा ऍड्रेस कसं काय बघायचं
अरे बाबा ऍड म्हणजे ऍड फंड्स मध्ये जायचं. डिपॉझिट क्रिप्टो करायचं. USDT मध्ये जायचं. इक्विटी मध्ये जायचं. करायचं टाकायचं.
टोटल आहे
HMR कुठे दिसते याच्यात बघ रे?
फायनान्स आयडी एवढं टोटल आहे
HMR बघायचं जरा. कुठे HMR आलंय का? अरे हो, पण मी तुला $1 नाही वाटू शकत.
कसं काय
मी कसं तुला $1 पडवणार?
बायनेन्स टू बायनेन्स नाही करता येत.
मी पाठवू का $1? याला तर $10 जातात.
बायनान्स टू बायनान्स नाही होत.
$10 जातात. $1 नाही जात.
एक काम करतो, $10 पाठवतो मला. मी जे आता तू हेच केलंस ना, मी तुला पट पाठवतो माझ्या अकाउंटवरती आल्यावर. हेजिंग लावून ठेवलीस ना, तुला पाठवतो मी. आता पाठवतो बाय $1.
पाठवलं ते आले.
न्यूज
हा 10 मिनिटं बाकी आहेत.
न्यूज झाल्यावर लावणार आहे.
पाठवलं ते आले.
ओव्हरव्ह्यू मध्ये येतं का? नाही लागलं.
सेंड करा आता मला. सेंड करतो.
बोट
तुझे पैसे स्पॉट मध्ये काय येत नाहीत रे बाबा?
काय माहित.
नाही आले स्पॉट मध्ये. तू सेंड करा, मला पण सेंड कर लगेच.
हा.
माझी आयडी आहे ना.
आहे.
So we are back. We have now $5 equity because we have sent a little bit money to the brother to get his money back. So there is a Wi-Fi. You can see that Wi-Fi also I wanted to get, and that also have the story, big story of that. First we get the dongle, then याच्या मारचं काय झालं म्हणलंस?
दिसेनाच झालंय ऍप वरती. USP झाला, विड्रॉ मारलाय. बघूया झालं ते. लॉंग लावणार GP वर लावणार.
ते गेली 22 कोटी. $15 आहेत ना, हेच करून $15 आहे. Send me the $10. I am waiting. I am waiting.
405 वाले झाले तुझी आयडी.
आता विचारलं का आयडी
आजची जायची पाठवतो. चल बाबा लवकर. $9 साठी मला एवढी धक्का मारायला लागली आहे. होतच काम असं सरळ. ऑर्डरच तुझी जाणार आले तर बघा.
Oh, it's good that we have not traded. Gold has gone down. Let's take a shanti. Please. Mangalam. And let's see that trader has done what? The dark night. Huh. Now he is selling. That is called the market. We have to change.
Top loss 9-10 आ जाएगा. ये इंडेक्स कितना आता है देखते हैं. हमने अभी अभी क्या बोलते हैं, यहाँ नहीं खोलता है यार. $8 का आएगा. अभी अभी हमने मार्केट जीएस में ट्रेड डाला था. GBP USD दिखा देता हूँ. शॉर्ट किया हुआ है और वो ट्रेड अभी नीचे ही जा रहा है.
This option from given,
7 minutes नो ट्रेडिंग भाई, छोड़ देता हूँ.
but I have to delete LWW, so we can move.
GBP को हमने सेल किया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. It's going down. चलो देखते हैं. फेड चेयरमैन कितनी देर बाकी है? 7 minutes guys.
Actually, 78 has been. Wow, US oil has been. Just what I wanted to do is right now. Just make a little bit money on this. Just leave this trade and just sleep. I just hedge because one hour 35 minutes. In the 1 hour 35 minutes, the candle will go where you will see that. And the gold is not allowing me to trade on this. Shit. Right now, Powell will also started to speak. Hey, Raj, trade लावू नको Powell आहे. 4 मिनिटात Powell येणार आहे. Trade लावू नको. मी पण लावलाय दिवस फक्त हेच करून ठेवलाय. आता हे आहे रात्री नाही उद्या संध्याकाळी पण संध्याकाळी हा
7 minutes में कुछ पता चलेगा. तो देखते लेवल्स दोबारा से बना के रखने पड़ेंगे. 5 मिनट पे आ जाता हूँ. भाई ये विक अगर $10 के ऊपर बनती है ना तो ये मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी है उसके हिसाब से गिरा दे भाई. ये वापस से लॉन्ग ट्रेड बन रहा है यहाँ पे अगर ये क्लोजिंग देता अच्छे से तो. इफ इट क्लोज इन अ ग्रीन कैंडल और अगर विक का परसेंटेज छोड़ो मतलब डॉलर वैल्यू देखोगे 10 टाइप का मिलता है जो कि मिलेगा अगर ग्रीन होता है तो. गुड एंट्री. स्टॉप लॉस आएगा $11 का बट वी कैन टेक अ ट्रेड. और अगर इवेंट सीधे हमारे फेवर में निकल गया बहुत अच्छा टारगेट हो सकता है. तो क्या करना है नहीं करना है, सेफ प्ले करना है या ट्रेड लेना है.
this is what the live streaming, but my laptop is not working right for the live streaming. It is very lagging, so at that time I am also not able to trade, so I am not trading on from this laptop, not streaming from this laptop AC. Right now also it is lagging too much. And this laptop has over 3 years worked perfectly. I get it from the 83,000. I get from the price of 83,000. Get this laptop at the price of 83,000. See it or not.
टीम में बढ़ाने का वो मतलब नहीं है जब तक ये नया आईडी बनाता अलर्ट लगा दे.
this Prime Minister of Nepal is a rapper. Yeah, also, it is a person who does the who is looking like not old, but he is, and he also arrested the old prime ministers and home ministers from their country. The Nepalis are being doing different than the world, and that's good. Nepal is in India, but they change their constituency, they change their regime, which is good because some people, some prime ministers or the home ministers see as their country as they are the king of the country and do whatever the fuck they want. And the Nepalis had to get angry on that. And then this Balan is the new prime minister of the Nepal. So he's different person, but he is doing the rapping, he is doing all the stuff which the Gen Zs do. But let's see.
गेट एकदम से ऊपर फटा और नीचे नीचे का रिएक्शन देता है नया जैसे न्यू लो बनाता है वी आर गोइंग शॉर्ट ओके
So the 40 seconds is remaining. Fuck this person. Right now we will see our chart. What can happen on this stuff? 30 seconds is remaining. We have open here gold. Here I see the oil. And the Powell has been started. Powell news has been started. And I don't think so. Nothing. Something is happening in this shit.
नहीं टीपी नहीं लगाना चाहिए कभी भी टीपी नहीं लगाना चाहिए क्यों नहीं लगाना चाहिए अगर मान लो ये फट के मेरे को यहाँ तक का टारगेट दे सकता है तो मैं क्यों यहाँ तक का टीपी लूंगा करेक्ट स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ तक मिलेगा क्लियर है बट टारगेट हो सकता है ये मिल पाएगा ठीक है नो न्यू ट्रेडिंग राइट नाउ वी विल सी राइट नाउ किस तरफ होता है किस में ट्रेड करना है देखना पड़ेगा लॉन्ग का बनता है गोल्ड ले लो एमजी में सही ट्रेड बताने वाले को कोई बेनिफिट है कैसा एमजी में सही ट्रेड बताने वाले को कोई बेनिफिट है नहीं नहीं भाई वो सिर्फ कम्युनिटी बनाई है मैंने आप लोगों के लिए उस कम्युनिटी में आप अपने एक दूसरे को हेल्प करो और कुछ भी नहीं मार्केट इंजीनियर्स की जो कम्युनिटी है
Let's see.
उसमें सिर्फ आप लोग एक चीज कर सकते हो
The Powell.
अपना एक दूसरे को शेयर डेटा वगैरह ट्रेड्स वगैरह एवरीवन कितनी देर बाकी है जस्ट 3 minutes more लेट्स सी
Why is it 3 minutes more?
टू मिनट्स मोर आई थिंक कितने लोग लाइव देख रहे हो मुझे दिखाई नहीं रहा यार सही से 1.9 के लिखा है वहाँ पे 11,000 लोग देख रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे 1.9 दिखा रहा है पूरा यूट्यूब पर ग्लिच है पर ठीक है सो 2 minutes remaining let's see
So we are
2
closing
minutes में क्या होता है
vlog, this recording because we have taken the long position on this stuff and we are waiting for that oil to move. And right now I have done over 1 hour of a live stream. Right now, let's close this.